Today we're going to be installing TwinCAT 4026 onto a Windows 10 or 11 operating system. To get started, we're going to go onto the Beckhoff Automation website. We're going to sign in with an account, and if you don't have one, you can register. From here, we're going to navigate to the Products section, the Automation section, onto TwinCAT, and onto TwinCAT Freebase. We're going to click on TC1000 TwinCAT Free ADS. Scroll down to Documentation and Downloads in Software and Tools, and here we have TwinCAT Package Manager for build 4026. This is what we're going to want to download, and we'll wait for a moment. Cool. Now that that's done, we're going to right click and we are going to install it as an administrator. We'll agree to the licenses and click install, and we'll move through this process as it follows. If you're going to be using this on Windows 11, you need to make sure you're on the 23H2 version. And Windows 10 will work with any version. The 24H2 version is releasing in May of 2025. So that installation is complete. We can close this. And we can search for Package Manager and run it. Package Manager will open up and it'll do some pre-initialization. It's going to prompt you for a username and a password. This is just the username and the password to the Beckhoff website that you used to download it. We'll click Save, and we'll allow PowerShell to run. From here, you can choose which version you want to use. We're going to tick both of them. And you can change your default installation path if you like. You normally don't have to. And the whole time throughout this process, we'll give Windows PowerShell permissions. We can see it's finished. We'll select OK. And now that Package Manager is installed, we can go and install TwinCAT. We're going to go in and we're going to select our engineering and our standard version of TwinCAT. You have to drop down for all the different versions. We're going to go for the latest, 4026.14. You can install other applications if you like. We're going to go to Runtime, and we're going to install the TwinCAT standard Runtime as well, on the same level. Again, you can change this, but we're going to keep it as 4026.14. From here, we're just going to install. Give permission to Windows PowerShell. Now we just wait for this to finish. At this point, TwinCAT 4026.14 has been installed onto this device. So now we can click Close. We can minimize out of this tab. And we can open the TwinCAT XAE shell just by searching for it down here. Alternatively, you'll have a new TwinCAT cog in your desktop tray, which you can click to then open the shell in whichever format you'd like. I'm going to go for the 64-bit version. TwinCAT's now opening. So we can go to File, and we can make a brand new project. We're going to go for a TwinCAT XAE project, which includes everything from the PLC to the motion controller. Call it whatever you'd like, any location. And the solution name is the name of the file that everything will be shoved into. And press create. The first time you create a project, it'll take a lot longer than the other times because it has some initialization to do. But now we're in the TwinCAT environment. From here, you can right-click to add your PLC, name it whatever you'd like, and put it in any location. And you now have access to the programming environment.